So this is the page that we implemented. So it's inspired by the Air Tasker, but we have made some addition to the original website. So it might look a bit different from the original. So Air Tasker is actually like this. So it's a platform where you can post tasks and you can wait for someone to give you an offer, and then you can accept them. And they also allow online payments. This is a part where we haven't implemented in our website yet. So our front end is deployed on Heroku, and our back end is deployed on AWS. So that's why you see this one is on S3 website. And we have designed our own logo here. So now, let me log out. So this is the homepage of our website. And it's a homepage which AirTasker doesn't have. So we think that it's better to implement a homepage, so when everybody log in or when they land in the website, they see something like this and they have an introduction. So, and we also allow the user to see like what people have been doing in this platform. So in this one, there are the real data from database, and it's inspired by the AirTasker website, but we haven't copied any CSS from AirTasker. It's all handled by us. In this one, if we log in, this is the page which is fully implemented by myself. So in this page, you can search for the task. In this one, you can search by the title. Let's say I want to search for anything regarding front desk. So front. And also, we can search by different categories of the task, because when you post a task, you can choose either this task is about cleaning, delivery, removal, anything like that. So let's say I want to search for something about home and garden. We don't have that task yet, so it shows this page. But if we change it back to anything means any category, any kind of task. So search. All of them will come up. And by default, it's going to show the first one of the task. First one of the result. So on the right-hand side, it shows fix my phone. And in this one, if you are logged in, you are able to click on by posted task. So it means those tasks which you have posted is going to show on the left-hand side. And then, because it's your task, you cannot make an offer for your own task. So that's why it says it's awaiting for offers. And offers is part that we haven't implemented yet, but we are planning to do it. So we can click on this one. But since it's our task, we can edit it. So I can change from cleaning to maybe business and admin. And next, we can change the content here. And then, of course, we can make it like remotely and update it. So after we update, it's going to refresh. And after it's refreshed, but it was working. I think some problem happened during the merging. So it was supposed to show the result of changing, after changing the content of the task, it's going to show after it's refreshed. So yeah, this is one. And after that, we can also post a similar task. So in this one, it's going to fetch the original task and it's going to show here. And then you can change the content, and same as the edit one. Instead of updating the original task, it's going to post a new one. So that's what it does. And also, we can cancel the task. And then after it's canceled, it will come up with a pop-up that says it's deleted. And you just need to click OK, and then it's going to refresh again. And then it's gone. So the other page that I did was this ones. So it's implemented by me, and this ones is actually link, like they're actually the links to our hero page. So after I click on one of this, it's going to fetch all those users which are providing such service that we selected. Yeah, so from the front end, that's what I have done, like for the pages. And I have also done the logic of the URLs. So the routes are done by me. So like basically in this task, it's going to read what is coming from the URL, and then it will get those parameters. And then it will do different actions based on those parameters from the URL. And also this one's, this project we have used Redux. So all the things here are saved in Redux store. Yeah, we have also implemented a feature where if you sign up, let's say, it's going to ask you to fill in some basic information, but in this stage, you can just click exit, but you are registered already, but just without any basic information. So next time when I log in, it's going to ask you to fill in the you haven't made. It's going to ask you to fill in the information that you haven't filled in. Yeah. So it kind of forces you to have complete information before you can start using the website. And let's say this one. Also, this one has some other suggestion. If I type Bawood, but it's implemented by Jerry, one of our team members. I think it's very nice to show them. Yeah. So this is my part.
My main job is build these two parts, include this page, the HTML and the CSS, but not include the data, and the other pages include responsive, and this page. So this there are categories, so the user can check in different categories. Check here. So it has skills handyman and cleaning. So if I check the handyman and cleaning, it should be include this user. Right here and right here. And this part I use Redux, classified by the ID here. And I also did the job of deploying it on the front end on the S3 here. And the back end is the Hero. And I think that the job was like, thank you.
我主要做的就是那个，就是个人的部分，然后因为我们暂时还没有做就是 payment 部分，所以其实这部分内容就是只是写死了而已，就是没有变化。主要就是有那个活动数据就是在这边，然后它会就是它每次会自动 fetch， 然后这个用户自己的信息下来，然后包括说就任何东西都是可以改。比如说点完以后它就 save 了，然后可以刷新。这个我会看好像有个小问题，就是它每次刷新就会跳转回来，我不知道为什么，我要 fix 一下。比如说该资源信息就已经就是更新过来了，然后其实这些跟我上次 demo 的时候都差不多，其实没有什么特别大变化，就是因为有点尴尬，就是一开始我想全部。就是我当时之前弄的时候，全部就是这些信息都是用 Redux 监听的，然后 但是那个后面我发现好像其实没有特别大的必要，然后就把 Redux 给移除了，然后而且好像就是 Redux 会因为 fetch 信息的原因，它跟那个其他人写的部分会有一点点的小的冲突，然后其实就是现在这边其实都是就是都可以用的，然后就是都可以更新，然后它会有一个 placeholder，还可以体验新东西上去刷新。大致就是这样的，因为时间有点紧张，所以可能很多细节都还没有去调得很清楚，然后大概是这样。
Okay, I'll brief just the part I did. Basically, I help other people to do this account page, especially for this upload avatar feature, because before that we didn't have a file upload function in the whole project. So when you log in and you get into this personal profile page, and you can upload an avatar, and this is show at once, and refresh can appear to the sidebar and the top bar. And this page is not finished. Moving forward, I think we should use Redux to change this user in the state, and other pages will automatically refresh. And this is the avatar, and aside from that, I did the login and the sign up part, which I showed last time. Yeah. So this is sign up, and there's a tips about the password security level. And the next step is to some personal information. And here I made an autocomplete to find some address information on the website, and try to store the coordinate exactly into our database. So in the future, we will use this coordinate to link to Google Map or that info to show the task in personal map, which is the next step I'm working on. Clearly, we have a small problem about the login and logout. This version is not correct. Yeah, and that's pretty much I do for the last 2 weeks. Thank you.